My name's Kayla and I come from Hermanus. I go to Generations International Colleges. The problem that I had was the sun on the planet was too strong for their skin, and the sunscreen was too weak for them. So I came up with a sleeve that you put on your arm, and then you connect this with, you put it inside, and then this is the technical part of things. So it tells you how long you have in the sun before it becomes a risk, and as well as it takes your heart rate, and it can also give you some other things that you need, and it would probably be able to tell time as well. I would probably make it bigger, or you could get it in these sizes and put it on your finger instead, since you can get your pulse from there as well. And that's about it, maybe in different varieties of color. And also put more holes in so it's breathable. It was something new. I didn't know that we had 3D printers here in Cape Town. I thought it was only something that you got in America. But yeah, that's about it. It was pretty cool. I didn't even know that the library still existed and that there were these things. I would definitely come here again.
Hi, my name is Amy Cupido. I'm from Hermanus Generation School. There I am doing my first year in IT, where I heard about this course on 3D printing. So my scenario was by a woman named Lauren, and she had picked some fruit and became sick after eating the fruit. So I had to come up with a solution so that she knew what food was safe to eat and which foods were not safe to eat. Before coming to this course, I always thought of 3D printing as something that is done by people who have a lot of money or they are highly intelligent. So coming to this course has really opened my eyes to how easy it is if you have a nice usable platform like Tinkercad, which we've used in this course, for anybody at any skill level to create a design and print it. I think what I enjoyed the most was coming into the space where there's a lot of female empowerment, young girls learning about technology, which is very needed. Especially me as one of the older ones, it's always nice to see the younger generation taking interest in technology, and also where there's been a lot of facilities for us to use in assisting us in this course. So we came here to the American Corner in the Cape Town City Library. This is the first time I've been to this library, and coming into this corner, it's been really amazing to see how everything here is of top quality and is free and available to the public. And just there's so many different things to use here, and to just broaden your horizons and use your creativity and just learn more. Yes, absolutely. I will drive in from Hermanus to get here, and I'm bringing my family, I'll bring my friends, because I don't have these. We have technology there in Hermanus, but here there's so much to use that it's definitely worth taking a trip up here. Yeah. I didn't know that you could create virtually anything with 3D printing. It's so vast, and there's really no limits to what you can create in 3D printing, and that's really inspiring, because you might come and not think that you're a creative person, but once using Tinkercad and going through this experience, you actually find out that you have a lot of ideas and that they are possible to make. For example, we have this 3D print here, which is a bangle. So you can make a bangle, and then my idea that I created in Tinkercad was a food analysis conveyor, where the food goes in, and then you have an accepted and a not accepted lever, and if it's good it goes to one section, and if it's bad it goes to another section, and then the good products can go to the customer.